Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download and install Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege on PC or laptop. So to do that, just open your web browser and then just type out store.steampower.com and then click on enter. So from here, just click on the install Steam option. Okay, that's one, and then click on the install Steam again. So after clicking on this, you'll be able to see the file. Just click on it and then install the application and then sign in or create your Steam account. Now that you have done that, just open the Steam application and then use the search bar to search for the game. So just type out here the name of the game and then click on search, and then you'll be able to see here that game. So just click on it. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see the price of the game, and then just click on add to cart. Okay, and then you can purchase this for yourself or purchase this game as a gift. So I'll be purchasing this game for myself. And then you will be able to see here the payment method. So you can choose among these options and then just type out your payment information and you'll be able to purchase the game, install it, and then you can start playing the game. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.